Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create guidelines on your videos on CapCut PC. So select any color that you want. I'm just going to rotate this and adjust that, and I'm just going to adjust it till the end of the video. Go to mask and select mirror, and I'm just going to rotate it first, and I'm going to create like a line sort of. So I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. And then just copy and paste it to create the guideline. Maybe like you want to like place it here and this one like about here. And then if you want, you can just rotate it to create the other line. Whoops. Like so, and just copy and paste that, and you'll have your guideline like that. If you want to like group them, you can just like right click to create compound clip, but it's like stays in like one bit. But that is it basically. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!